focus on me. Baby, can you focus?
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
Come here, my cup.
Oh, this rush money is even worse than matric time.
So fashionably late. Unfashionably late, in fact.
Changes in the story of our lives. The best of times through color glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
All rise as we receive the Chancellor's procession. On this procession, we have visiting registrars, visiting vice chancellors, the chaplain Covenant University, and the director of finance. And our own dear Chancellor, Dr. David Oyedepo.
And these disciplines are social sciences, we're top 300 globally, business and economics, computers. In the master's degree,
Dr. Olanwaju Adekunle from the College of Management and Social Sciences, PhD Business Administration, Dr. Dada Augustina, Dr. Ezebo Michael, Dr. Ekechukwu.
Congratulations. We're very excited. We appreciate you to be here today. One more time, congratulations.
Person don't tire. Oh. Me, I will go and eat food though.
Thank God.
That's why I will try to see you.
I cannot imagine myself after this one.
But you know someone cannot
tell me
even
I'm
buy
outside
food.
in this thing. Someone cannot buy food.
I don't think so.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the
Opportunity I have to share.
Hey guys, good morning. So today is Saturday and they decided to do Thanksgiving today. So this is actually the end of convocation, to be honest, because after Thanksgiving there's nothing more. And I know like this vlog has just been everywhere. I've been rushing out, especially in the morning, to do makeup and everything. So I just hope that this vlog will shall make sense. But like we went for hooding event, after hooding event, but then there was convocation. Obviously you saw that, or you would have seen everything. This is how I dressed for Thanksgiving. Okay, I didn't follow the theme blue and white, but my trouser is white, and I couldn't really vlog like that because I have a roommate, and so I actually wanted to also respect her privacy and all that. So yeah, but hopefully by the time I'm done joining this vlog, everything looks spectacular. Okay, so we just have clips here and there. By the way, check out my prep vlog. Okay, and thank you for following me all through my experience in Covenant University. If you don't know, I have a lot of videos about my stay in Covenant University. I think if I do this CU vlog and everything, I think I have over 20 videos concerning my experience in Covenant University. So if you're interested, please check my playlist that will be showing on the screen or after this place, and I'll see you in another one. Okay, so I don't only do this, I'm also doing hair vlogs and also lifestyle. So life after Covenant University obviously will be up. So thank you guys for watching, thank you for following me up on this journey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye love. Bye bye.